What's up everyone, Raijin here, and today I'm gonna show you how to turn this into this with no skills. And let's go! The first thing we have to do is to draw Goku's pointy eyebrows, which are close to each other and very easy to draw. Then we have the tricky part of the video, the eyes, but the red lines will help you so you have nothing to worry about. Now draw his pupils close to the pointy edge of his eyebrows and his eyes are complete. For Dragon Ball characters, if you draw the eyes correctly, the rest of the face is easy. Add some details and on the same height of those lines under his eyes, we'll draw an L-shaped nose. Now follow the red lines and draw the easiest nose you've ever drawn. Then, very close to his nose, draw his mouth and a small line for his lip. For his jaw, draw two lines facing a little bit inwards, and by the time you reach the horizontal line of his mouth, connect these two lines a little bit lower. The distance is about the same as before, and also the lines are curved. The first ones are facing outwards and the second ones are facing inwards. Now his ears start from these 2 points and go down to the horizontal line of his nose. Add some details and draw his pretty thick neck. Every line of his neck is curved, so do not draw straight lines. His face is complete and now let's move on to the hair. Like almost every anime face, his forehead is as big as the rest of his face, so just draw 4 or 5 thick classic anime hair, following the curved red guidelines. Goku has 3 much bigger and pointier classic anime hair on his right side, which start just under his ear. Remember that every line is curved and finish the last pointy hair on the same height of his forehead and just before his right ear. Then draw a quarter of a circle and repeat the same process, but now draw 5 much thicker anime hair. And last, add 4 or 5 lone random hair, a small shadow below his jaw, and there you have it, you just drew Goku. If you want to draw more anime characters like this, let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more. Until next time!